Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the basic shell blocks stitch crochet pattern. It's super fun and I love the way this looks. So to get started, you'll just need to know how to do a treble crochet. If you need help with that, check down in the description below for my video on how to do treble crochets. So to get started, you want to do multiples of 4 plus 1. For this tutorial, I'm doing a quick 16 chains plus 1 for a total of 17. Alright, now that you have all of your chains, to get started on the pattern, you want to chain 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, you want to work 2 treble crochets. And in the next stitch, you want to work 2 more treble crochets. Followed by chaining 2, skipping 2, and working 2 treble crochets in the next stitch. And you can already see how this pattern is coming along. So 2 more treble crochets in the next stitch. And chaining 2. So it's a lot of 2. So chain 2, skip 2, work 2 in 1 stitch. So 2 treble crochets, and then working 2 treble crochets in the next stitch. And we repeat this all the way to the end of the row. So chain 2, skip 2, work 2 treble crochets in the same stitch, work 2 treble crochets in the next stitch, and to end our row, you will chain 2 and work 1 treble crochet in the last stitch. And you always want to make sure when you're doing your work that you always start with a chain 3 and you always end with 1 treble crochet. So you can see how the block form's starting to form for this pattern. So to start row 2 and the repeat for your whole entire work, it'll be a chain 3 and working 4 treble crochets in the chain 2 square space. Chaining 2, skipping all of those and going straight into the chain 2 square space and working 4 treble crochets. Chaining 2, skipping all that work and going right into the chain 2 square space and working your 4 treble crochets. Now when you get to the end, just like in row 1, you will do your chain 2 and do 1 treble crochet in the very last stitch. And the reason for this is we want to give our work a nice smooth edge. And there you have it. That's how you do the basic shell block stitch pattern. You can see how the pattern comes along. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.